Hello YouTubers. This video is a small demo on how to use organization blocks that interrupt your program and execute some code that is inside of them with a delay. For that kind of tasks, Siemens provides 4 OBs, starting OB20. So it will be OB20, 21, 22, and 23. In this video I will talk about functions that you want to perform on regular time intervals, but with a delay. For example, you want to do some maintenance once every month. And if there is no permission, then delay starts. To start time delay interrupt OB, calling of system function SFC32 is needed. By calling SFC32, you need to specify parameters as follows. Input, OBNR. Here you need to set the number of OB that needs to be started as time delay interrupt. Input, dtime. Here you need to set the value of time delay in milliseconds. And third input, sign. It is an identifier which will appear in the start event. So, for example, we want to call OB20 time delay interrupt with a delay of 20 seconds. In that case, we need to set OB number 20. Dtime we need to set as T#20s. And as identifier any number in hex format, it will be returned upon call of time delay interrupt. In return, you will get RET_val, that is used for evaluation of the error, if any occurs on the call of the SFC32. Common errors of the SFC32 are 0, no error. 8090, incorrect parameter, OB number. 8091, incorrect parameter, dtime. Other errors can be found in the help, under the general error information, evaluated with the parameter RET_val. Please keep in mind, that error codes are provided in the hex format. The time between the call of the SFC32, and the start of the time delay interrupt OB is a maximum of 1 millisecond less than the selected time providing that no interrupt event delays the call. So, let's make a short conclusions. To call the time delay interrupt OB you need to call SFC32, where you set OB number and delay in milliseconds. After that, operating system starts to count the time, and when delay time expires, operating system calls corresponding OB. To be able to call time delay interrupt, you need to download corresponding OB to the CPU. If you call SFC32, and corresponding OB will not be downloaded to the CPU, then asynchronous error OB will be called by the operating system. Also, make sure that call of time delay OB occurs only after the previous call is finished, otherwise, asynchronous error OB will be called as well. Let's write a simple time delay interrupt application. Create new data block. Add 2 groups of variables date and time of day. The date and time of call of SFC32 will be saved to the first group. The second group will hold the values when the time delay interrupt occurs. Import time delay interrupt OB20 from library to your project, and open it. As you can see, on the time delay interrupt I am going to set the memory bit, and I am going to perform save of date and time of day of the occurrence. Inside of the OB1, let's make a call of SFC32. Set OB number 20. Time delay, 20 seconds. And any identification of the call to the parameter, sign. Upon the call I am going to save date and time. Download everything to the CPU, and let's test our application. As you can see, time delay is 20 seconds and 1 millisecond. Let's try one more time. Again, within limits. Let's get back to the OB20. As other OBs, time delay interrupts have some predefined variables in the variable declaration table. First one is event class and identifiers. As you can see, it is the same as all other OBs. Next is start request info. The value is in hex format and it is number of OB plus 1. For example, if OB22 is called, then the value of this variable will be 23 in hex. Then goes priority class. Next one holds the number of OB. So it will be from 20 to 23. The other two are reserved for system. Next one is sign. Actually it is user ID. Here you will get same value that you have assigned to the input parameter, sign, that is from the call for SFC32. Next one holds delay time in milliseconds. That is set point of delay time. And last one is date and time when the OB was called. Time delay OBs are executed only when the CPU is in the run mode. Any start events for the time delay OBs will be cleared on the warm or a cold restart of the CPU. There is a possibility to cancel the execution of the delay time interrupt by using system function SFC33. But it can be done only if a time delay interrupt has not started. Let's test it. Create new network in the OB1, and insert SFC33. Assign OB number 20. Let's start our time delay interrupt, and try to stop it immediately. As you can see, 20 seconds has passed, but time delay interrupt OB was not executed. That was a demonstration on how the time delay interrupts work. If the video helped you, do not forget to like it, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and happy coding.